Hi everybody, it's Carrie and we're back with another episode of Art and Science, and today I have a little science lesson for you. We're going to be talking about light and how light behaves, and the things that you'll need for this lesson are a piece of foil, aluminum foil, and then you'll also need a glass of water. Hopefully it's a smooth glass like this, and either a ruler or a stick, something long and skinny that you can put into the glass of water. So get your materials together and come on back. Okay, so the first little experiment I'm going to show you has to do with light reflecting off of a surface. So with your aluminum foil, you want to make sure that you have the shiny side. Aluminum foil has kind of a dull side, and then it has a shiny side. So this is the shiny side that we've got face up here. And what you're going to do first, you're going to make sure that it's really smooth. And then you are going to hold it up and look and see if you can see a reflection of yourself. So hopefully you guys can see here. I can see my face and the white of my shirt. I can also see the green of the sweater of my cameraman Joe here. So that's kind of cool to see how it reflects a little bit like a mirror or a pane of glass. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of foil and you're going to crumple it up. And then you're going to uncrumple it. And now the surface is really different, right? We've got lots of different, it's not smooth at all. The metal surface is now pointing in all kinds of directions, right? So now we're going to hold it up again and look and see, can we see ourselves reflected in the surface? We can't really see ourselves anymore, can we? We can see little bits of color from around the room, but we can't see ourselves anymore. And the reason for that is that when the surface is crunched up, the reflection disappears because the light is being reflected in all different directions, right? So that's our little experiment in reflecting light. The next little experiment that we're going to be doing is with our glass of water and our long skinny object. So you're going to take I'm going to take my my chopstick and I'm going to put it down in the water. What do you notice when you put your object into the water? It looks like it's broken. The straight line is broken. And why is that? Well, it has to do with something called refraction. And what that means is that light moves differently through different mediums. So here at the top of the glass, or outside of the glass, is air, and inside of the glass we have water. And light moves differently through the water than it does through the air. And we can see that in the way that the stick looks like it's broken. So that's something to play around with and notice in the world. Maybe next time you go swimming, you might notice it. Or maybe if you're in the bathtub or doing the dishes, you'll notice it there too. But it's interesting to think about. So the last thing that I thought I'd mention is that the speed of light, did you know that the speed of light was first measured here in Southern California and Mount Wilson. Mount Wilson is here in the mountain ranges. Actually, on a clear day, you can look up to the mountains and you can see it. A scientist named Michelson discovered it in 1920 using an 8-sided mirror that spun around. So if you're interested in light, I recommend going online and looking up Michelson and Mount Wilson and the speed of light. It's pretty cool. Hope you guys have fun thinking about light. Take care. Bye.